In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize candle colors in the Exness mobile app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the appearance settings, what each color option controls, and how to save a color scheme that makes your charts easier to read at a glance. Start by launching the Exness app on your mobile device and opening the chart for any trading instrument. It doesn't matter whether you're on a demo or a real account here, this process is the same. Once the chart loads, make sure you're seeing live data and the time frame you prefer, then zoom or pan so you can clearly view a few candles. This will help you preview your changes as you go. Next, look for the settings icon within the chart interface. On most layouts, it appears as a small gear or a wrench icon, often near the top or within an on-chart toolbar. Tap that icon to open the chart settings. If you have multiple settings categories, you might need to swipe or scroll through the menu. Inside the settings, find the section labeled Appearance or Colors. This is where all the visual options for your chart live. Tap to open it, and you'll see the controls for candle colors, borders, and wicks. Now it's time to customize. You'll have separate options for bullish or up candles and bearish or down candles. The candle body is the filled portion showing the open and close, while the wick is the thin line extending above and below the body to show the high and low. The border outlines the candle body and can improve visibility against the background. Tap the color you want to change and choose a new shade from the palette. As you experiment, aim for strong contrast between bullish and bearish colors so you can quickly distinguish trend direction. For example, many traders choose green for bullish and red for bearish, but feel free to pick colors that are comfortable for your eyes and work with your light or dark theme. If the bodies look too similar, adjust borders or wick colors to add clarity, especially on smaller time frames. When you're happy with your selections, preview the chart to make sure everything looks clear, then confirm or apply your changes so they take effect. If there's a reset or default option visible, remember you can always revert later. That's it. You've launched the app, opened a chart, accessed settings, navigated to the appearance section, customized the candle bodies, borders, and wicks, and saved your changes. Enjoy your personalized, easy-to-read chart setup, and happy trading.